In the digital battlefield of algorithms and data structures, there are warriors who test their metal day after day. I never thought I'd become one. But here I stand, 149 questions conquered on LeetCode, and one final challenge awaiting. This is my war story. It began in August 2024 when I entered my college. I was just another student equipped with basic programming skills and naive optimization skills. Then I discovered LeetCode, a realm where problems aren't just assignments, they are opponents waiting to test your limits. My first encounter was a depictably simple problem. I encountered my first question: add two numbers. It sounds so simple, but inside it contains a large amount of knowledge of linked list. And at that time, I didn't ever heard of linked list. What? It was like stepping onto a battlefield without an armor. The question lingered in my mind: could I really conquer this strange new world of algorithms? I found my answer in the pages of a battle manual, textbooks, and guides that would become my weapons. Every victory, no matter how small, was a step forward. As days turned to weeks and weeks to months, it became easy for me to see patterns in the problems and think of how to solve this problem with the optimized way. And at that time, arrays became my friend, and those linked lists who once spoke me, they become my specialty. Each problem had its own personality and its own tricks. Some were so easy that it would take only minutes to solve them, but others were very long and required days of strategic thinking. But the true test wasn't just in solving problems, it was in understanding them. Why did this algorithm work? How could I optimize it further? These questions drove me deeper into the battle. Many warriors ask, is it worth spending countless hours on these coding challenges? I discovered the answer with each problem solved. It wasn't just about passing test cases, it was about rewriting my brain to think algorithmically. By the time I reached 50 problems, I noticed something is changing. Problems that once seemed impossible now appeared so easy. My code grew cleaner, more efficient. The patterns become visible, like a sixth sense developing on the battlefield. At 100 problems, I wasn't the same coder who started this journey. I could discrete a problem, identify its cause, and see what's happening in the problem and how to solve this. The question wasn't if I could solve it, but how elegantly I could do so. But the most surprising transformation wasn't in my code, it was here in my mind. And I noticed I saw patterns like everywhere. Everywhere I go, I see patterns. In the grocery stores, see how the things are arranged, and those patterns in traffic. You can see a pattern by maneuvering through the cycles and like doing DFS in a traffic so you can get out of the traffic and everywhere else. This battle was changing me question by question. Every problem changed something into me and it leveled me up. As I approached the 150 milestone, I realized this wasn't about solving the numbers of problems, but each problem represented a battle won and a lesson learned.
या तो win है या तो learn है.
And for my 150th problem, I chose a worthy opponent. Design a text editor. A hard linguist challenge that would test everything I learned. This wasn't just another problem, it was the final boss in the chapter of my coding journey. The question hung in the air: was I truly ready for this final test? As I began to tackle this final challenge, I felt the weight of all 149 previous battles behind me. This wasn't just about implementing a text editor. It was about proving mastery over linked list, a data structure that had once been my fear. The problem required maintaining a cursor position, handling insertions and deletions, all while keeping operations efficient and optimized. A linked list would be the foundation, but the architecture needed careful consideration. I designed my data structure, a doubly linked list, where each node represented a character, and cursor would move between nodes. Insertion and deletions would rewrite the corrections. Hours into the battle, as midnight approached, the solution began to crystallize. Test case passed one by one, edge cases were handled, the code was refined, optimized, and finally, victory! The 150th problem was conquered. The milestone reached, but as I sat back in my chair, I realized this wasn't the ending, it was a beginning. Looking back at this journey of 0 to 150 problems, I can't help but
Wow, nice.
LeetCode wasn't just a platform for coding challenges. It was a forge that tempered my problem solving abilities. My early code was clumsy, inefficient, often brute force approaches. Now, I think in algorithms, I see patterns, I understand the subtle dance of time and space complexity. The battlefield has changed me, but the most profound question remains. What happens to your mind if you solve so many algorithmic problems? The answer is both simple and complex. You start to think differently. Problems that once seemed discrete now connect in a vast network of understanding. A linked list problem might borrow techniques from a stack. A dynamic programming challenge might incorporate elements of graph theory. The boundaries blur and a holistic picture emerges. The question isn't whether I can reach 500 problems. It's what kind of problem solver I will become. Each challenge isn't just a number added to my profile. It's a battle that shapes my approach to every problem I will ever face. Isn't that the true value of this journey? Not just in passing interviews or impressing recruiters, but in developing a mindset that breaks down complex problems into solvable components in code, in business, in life, everywhere. So I leave you with this final question. What could you achieve if you are given 150 challenges in any field you work, and how would that transform your mind, and what new skills you will develop by solving those 150 problems in any field of your life, and how that will change your life and your career. The war never truly ends. There will always be new algorithms, new problems, and more optimized ways to learn, and the learning never ends. But armed with the previous experience of 150 problems, I face the future battles not with fear but with excitement. So whether you are on your first question or the 50th question or your 100th question or wherever you are, every challenge is a battle worth fighting. Every solution is a victory worth celebrating. Every error is a lesson worth learning. And that's what will make you even stronger.